TPM stands for Total Productive Maintenance. This is a holistic approach to production that strives to ensure equipment maintenance so that continuous and efficient production can be achieved. TPM encompasses the business approaches of preventative maintenance and total quality management, along with increasing employee involvement to ensure the reduction of manufacturing losses and costs through increased maintenance management efficiency. TPM has even been regarded as a total method of management, as it is considered an additional driver which is complementary to total quality management. TPM revolves around 5 essential activities which aim to promote an efficient and productive workspace. These essential activities are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and finally, sustain. TPM is further characterized by 8 key strategies to optimize efficient production while simultaneously reducing cost and waste. These key strategies are focused improvement to make equipment more efficient, autonomous maintenance activities, planned maintenance from the maintenance department, technical training in equipment maintenance and operation, an early equipment management program, quality maintenance activities, administrative and supportive functions to increase efficiency in the workplace, and finally, safety, health, and environment management to ensure a clean and safe work environment. The history and origins of TPM. In 1951, the American preventative maintenance model was first introduced to Japan. In 1953, 20 Japanese companies created a preventative maintenance research group. In 1969, the Japan Institute of Plant Engineers was formed. Through the Japan Institute of Plant Engineers, Nippon Denso became the first company to adopt the TPM approach to production. In 1971, Nippon Denso became the first company to receive a TPM award. In the early 1970s, due to economic hardship, TPM started to gain popularity within the Japanese work sector. And in the early 1990s, Western organizations finally started to realize the potential of TPM and implement it within their own work sector. The 12 steps in implementing total productive maintenance. Step 1. The announcement of the top management decision of implementing total productive maintenance. This should be clearly announced in a company's newsletter, newspaper, or magazine as to inform employees of the change. Step 2. A total productive maintenance education program should be devised and provided for the company workforce. This could be seminars or retreats for managers, or for the general workforce, a presentation on total productive maintenance. Step 3. The formation of an organizational total productive maintenance committee. This group will promote and sustain total productive maintenance activities once they begin. Step 4. The establishment of basic total productive maintenance policies and goals. The current company condition should first be analyzed, and then from here, total productive maintenance policies and goals should be formulated and clearly communicated to the workforce. Step 5. The development of a master plan for total productive maintenance implementation. This plan will identify what resources will be needed for total productive maintenance and when they will be needed. Step 6. Implementation of total productive maintenance within the company. Step 7. The establishment of a system to improve efficient production. Here, project teams will analyze individual pieces of equipment and improve them when they seem necessary. Step 8. The development of an autonomous maintenance program. This is where operators will engage in routine cleaning and inspection of equipment. This will prevent accelerated deterioration of machinery. Step 9. The development of a preventative maintenance program. Preventative maintenance activities should be performed on each piece of equipment on the work floor. Step 10. The provision of educational training. Training will help to improve operational and maintenance skills of workers. This should help to reduce breakdowns and accidents. Training should be provided by the maintenance department of the company. Step 11. The development of an early equipment management program should be devised. Here, preventative maintenance principles should be applied during the design process of equipment as to combat and prevent future breakdowns. Step 12. Engaging in continuous improvement or Kaizen. Mizaki Imai came up with the term Kaizen in 1986. This term embodies the principle of never-ending improvement, and this principle should be employed by all companies wishing to implement and succeed with total productive maintenance. A total productive maintenance case study on Toyota. In 1969, encouraged by Seiichi Nakajima, Toyota upgraded their approach to production by implementing total productive maintenance. As one of Toyota's main priorities was to reduce waste and manufacturing costs, total productive maintenance was designed to systematically identify and eliminate equipment losses. This meant preventing downtime in production through equipment breakdowns. To prevent equipment downtime, Toyota emphasized increasing employee participation with and knowledge of the equipment. This helped to improve productivity and thereby reduce maintenance and operating costs. Toyota adopted a centralized maintenance approach to total productive maintenance, which requires workers to be cross-trained. This helps in providing flexibility in the workforce. Furthermore, Toyota engages in data collection and analysis, which allows for the identification and application of preventative maintenance activities on equipment that requires it. Requiring cross-training of employees as well as data collection of equipment performance highlights the long-term requirements of this approach to production. This case study of Toyota exemplifies how total productive maintenance still requires work even after implementation, but by following total productive maintenance, productivity and quality increases while costs decrease. Benefits and challenges to total productive maintenance. Benefits to total productive maintenance. Productivity improvement through less downtime from breakdowns. This further leads to lower cost of production and therefore increased profits. Quality improves due to efficient running of equipment. Enhanced safety and morale of employees through inclusive training and organizational pride. Challenges to total productive maintenance. According to Ed Hartman, at least every second attempted installation of total productive maintenance results in failure. This could be due to inadequate knowledge of total productive maintenance. It takes a long time to fully understand how to be able to implement it correctly and beneficially. Lack of management support. Without management support, total productive maintenance is very hard to successfully implement as there is little that can be achieved without the support and resources of upper management. Inadequate workshops and training for staff. If workers hadn't had sufficient training in total productive maintenance measures, then they won't be able to perform at maximum efficiency.
Created using Powtoon.